Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price forecast. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here the daily candle, it's finished here. As you see it here, it shows us here. Also, we still sideways here. There is nowhere to go. We're still here. I think the picture is very clear to you guys here. So there is nothing new here. And here in the daily, I tell it to you us when we fall down till here. I tell you that. I tell you if we don't break either up or either down, there is no entry. So for long-term investor, just they say and forget about all those things. Here, technical, also we still sideways market, guys. I show you all those things as you see it. There is nothing new here. And here, I show you even the one in the 4 hours. Look at it now. Now, if it came a candle and break in here, it's going to be a short entry, guys. So let's wait in what's going to bring to us the days. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet a subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, we put in for you every day 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market is doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, let me show you some news or the coming news for tomorrow, guys. So let's go in there to see what is it there. Here we are, guys. That's the news for tomorrow. As you see, we don't got something special. Only that one. Initial jobless claim. That one is something very important, guys. Because if you remember what also we said about the unemployment, and we will see here how it's going to come if people they still losing the jobs or they're not. Because that one, what it is going to give us, is going to give us the people or the number of people they losing the job of them and they claiming for benefits. So as you see it, previous one, it used to be 225k, and here the forecasting is 230k. If it came like that, that's something very good. But if it's not, that's something very bad, guys. And here, our friend, the table of us, every day we see it. What it's saying here, as you see it, guys, the US stocks today, all of them, they close in red. Even the Dow Jones, it closed red, guys. As you see it, the only thing, there is a little bit different there. So that's something very bad, guys. Plus here, our friend, the VIX, as you see it, guys, the scariness is getting too much to the market. We go back above 22.68. That's something very bad, guys. And I'm going to explain to you why that scarness it go back to the market. I'm going to explain it to you in that video. So stay tuned with us. Now us, we are in a highly chance and highly scarness in the market, guys. So let me explain everything to you. So let's go in there. The scarness, guys, because of those things here, as you see it. And I'm going to explain everything to you, but just be focused with me here. The stock market today, guys, I'm not going to rate everything there. The stock market is it very flat. Why? Because the bond of USA, they sound as a recession alarm, guys, and I'm going to explain all those things to you. So as you see, guys, here, what you see in here, the between the 2 years to 10 years yield or treasury yield, they inverted by 83%, guys, in one day. 83 points per day. That's something very huge. As you see it, the Dow Jones industry rose by 1%, the Nasdaq fell 0.50%, and the SP fell 0.2%. And that, if you're watching our analysis, the previous analysis, also we tell you there is a market crash coming, and that's what even here it's showing to us, guys. And let's go in now to the 2 years, between 2 years till 10 years treasury yield. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are, guys, as you see it. And that one here, guys, that the treasury yield, as you see it, it fall down minus 83.68. That's something very bad, guys. So I think USA economic it's going to a recession, and that way me I told you the stock market is going to fall down, and that way I show you here in the VIX this currency is getting more higher. So I think picture is too clear here, guys. Let me show you more news here. The more news here, guys, is the one, as you see it. Bitcoin option data show bull aiming for 17k BTC price by Friday expiry. So that means the people they trading option. If you don't know what is it option, I'm going to explain a little bit here. So if you came here to that place here, you can even go and read that topic here. As you see it, guys, people they want here the calls here. That means the people they want the Bitcoin to fall down by Friday. And the puts, the people they want the Bitcoin to go higher. So the puts here, they are 2,100 and the calls is only 200. So people they don't believe in the Bitcoin will fall down below 15k. And here as you see it, guys, people they believe in the Bitcoin it will fall down below 16,500 or 16,500. They are more than the people they believe in is going to break 17k. And down here, as you see it, guys, between 17k till 18k, the calls they are too much. That's when the people they believe in the Bitcoin is going to fall down or is going to close the week below 17k is too much. As you see them, guys. And here that one is going to be all the people they believe in is going to fall down below that level, and that's what it's showing here. So I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So guys, what that meant to you here, that it give you all the week how it's going to end up from the start till the end. So the people here, people they don't believe in the Bitcoin is going to fall down below 16,500, and the thinking is going to stay at that level, guys, between 17k till 16,500. As you see it, guys, everything is too clear. So also we're going to stay sideways. That's what the people they thinking of. So picture is too clear, but also all that is just an extra analysis to you guys. Also the most important is our chart, what it's telling us, and me I came to you every day. So don't worry, there is nothing is going to happen to you and to your money. Just be slow down and forget about all that media and those noises behind your back, guys. Just focus it about the chart. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going back to see our indicators were the same for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, guys, our indicator, as you see it, also we used to have here a uptrend, as you see it, and we used to touch it every time here. Now I think the view is going to come and to touch it here again. Then maybe after that it's going to go back up or till here, till that level here. Then over there, also we're going to take some of the profit. Why? Because also we got two orders. We got one from here and one from here. I think now also we are in a little bit of profit, but not that much. It's need that one to come more up till here. Over here, we're going to take, or we're going to close what we buy. Then we're going to leave the profit to run to free our capital. By the way, to know that money management strategy I'm talking about, is it in our Bitcoin investment course? Is it down? If you're using the couple link down, it will not cost you that much. It's only 13 bucks, but it's up to you. Now, guys, let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for pictures to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, what me I told you, and make it like that. And we said it like that. And we said we got here a channel like that. And as you see it, guys, we came down and we touched the lower of it here. So till now, also we don't breaking down here for us to enter short. And I'll show you all those things in the previous videos. And here, what me I told you got a head and shoulder here, as you see it. Look with me here and look like that. And here it's breaking the neckline, as you see that red candle here. I show you that things in the previous video. Just go back and watch it. But now I'm thinking maybe from here we're going to fall down till here, and even here I told you that target about 16,400. So that's what the view for people they are in the options. They don't want the Bitcoin to fall down below that level here. That's what the view of them. They want it to stay just here. So maybe it's going to fall down till here. And I tell you that in the previous video based on that head and shoulder here. That one here, me I don't draw on top of it for the picture to be clear to you. And here in the last videos, guys, me I told you we used to have here a flag like that, but now that flag it's being broken down. So the one you can do it like that. You bring that line here and you put it in the place where it's being broken here. So the same thing is going to go till here. That's what me I've been telling you. It's the same thing, guys. I think picture is too clear, but for us to enter short, we are waiting that one, guys, that price action here or that up channel or that up trend. For all those things, just you go to your chart and look with us here. You see that peak here in the 4 hours, that one here and that one here, and you connecting them, 3 of them like that, and you waiting a candle to come and to close below here and to come bigger with power, like how I show you in the last video. I told you it need to come bigger like those candles. Then you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, if you remember, also we used to have here a trend line like that. So over here it's being broken. Now also we enter here to that place where is the bears they controlling, as you see it. Now the view, I think either from here we're going to go back up, or maybe we're going to stay here like that sideways, then after that it's going to fall down. And also that's how we trade, guys. We're still waiting that breakout here to be confirmed. Here in our indicator is it confirmed as you see it, but let's wait it in the chart, because in the chart it's going to be more clear than here. Picture is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator was it same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, also being here at the overbought area. And what me I told you those ones just oscillators. We don't need to base our trading on them. Also, we're basing our trading in the price action like how we used to be here. And we put in a price action like that. And we enter from here till here. We take profit. Same thing now us. Some people, they will tell you enter from here. But from here, you can enter from here and you put stop loss. And maybe from here, it's going to reverse up. And that one is going to go back inside the overbought area. So also we're waiting the price action, guys. Price action to be broken here. And also we're going to enter because price action is more accurate than indicators, guys. And here, as you see it, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Now we wait in the confirmation of the price action. If it came, we will enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity. By the way, you need to make a very, very big difference. Here in the 4 hours, also we're analyzing just for swing trading. In 30 minutes, also we're analyzing for day trading and scalping, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go in there, guys. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without which can growing up. So please support us. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Let's go in now to 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. And here in 30 minutes, look at that big volume we came here, guys. Do you see it or no? It came a very, very, very big volume here in that place. I don't know why, but that one is a huge volume there. And watch me, I told you here about the last video, guys. I told you here in 30 minutes, also we're looking for a buy opportunity. Why? I'll show you why. And where is the price action I told you? I told you is that down channel. Me, I draw it in front of you. If it came and breaking upward here, we will enter long, guys. Stop loss where we will put it down here, then that peak. Why? It's our indicator to see why, guys. Here, why, guys? We got here. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. Level, we are in a very, very stronger level, guys, as you see it. Price action we got is that one. Look with me here, what me I done. Even you do the same thing in your chart. Go to 30-minute time frame, no matter which broker you're using, and you're waiting that break here to happen. If it happen here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.